Hold on to your hats, car lovers, because what I'm about to tell you will completely change the way you think about classic cars. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the rumors, the whispers, the legends, surrounding the potential rebirth of a true automotive icon, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another classic car revival? Yawn. But trust me on this one, folks. This isn't just about slapping a vintage name on a new chassis. I'm talking about a reimagining of a design so timeless, so effortlessly cool, that it still turns heads decades after it was first released. Sources inside Volkswagen suggest they're seriously considering bringing back the Karmann Ghia, not as a museum piece, but as a modern, relevant, and dare I say it, desirable vehicle. Think sleek lines, cutting-edge technology hidden beneath, that classic silhouette, and an engine that purrs with performance and efficiency. And the best part? If these rumors are true, the 2026 Karmann Ghia would be targeting a surprisingly affordable price point, making it accessible to a whole new generation of car enthusiasts. Imagine cruising down the coast in this beauty, turning heads and dropping jaws wherever you go. It's not just a car, it's a statement. It's a statement that says you appreciate timeless design, value quality craftsmanship, and aren't afraid to stand out from the crowd. But this is all still speculation, so let's delve deeper into what a modern Karmann Ghia could actually offer. So what could we realistically expect from a 2026 Karmann Ghia? Well, obviously it needs to capture the spirit of the original. That means that distinctive low-slung profile, those elegant curves, and that overall sense of understated cool. But it also needs to be a thoroughly modern car, equipped with all the features and technologies that today's drivers demand. Talking about a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, perhaps a hybrid or even fully electric powertrain, a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a premium vehicle. And of course, it needs to be safe, with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. But perhaps most importantly, it needs to be fun to drive.